Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is ebonystyle. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my new subscribers, you're welcome. For you watching my video for the first time, you're welcome. So you see that braid there, I want to teach you how to make it. So make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. Make sure you watch it from beginning to the end to get more details. To get more details I missed, I will be right back. So now guys, I've already done the ventilating. In case you want to know how I did the ventilating, I've dropped a part 1 video before. This is a part 2. So in case you've not watched the part 1, the way I make the airline and the way I ventilate this net, just go down to my description, like go down now. Go and tap on it and watch it and come back to this video. So guys, this is it. I've done all the braid. It remains one, not all. I've done everything. Almost everything. It remains just one, and is that one I'll be using to teach us. So sorry for the lighting. It's already dark when I was doing this braid, so sorry for the lighting. So this is the braid I want to teach. This one at the front is the one I want to use for the for today's video. Likewise, I've done similar video on how to make this type of braid, so go down to my description because I'll drop it there also. So now I've loosed the braid I made before, like when I was ventilating. I've loosed it, then I'm just going to brush it, like I'll come now. I'm just adjusting that mannequin the tripod, just to make sure you guys see it very well. And I've said it before, I've done a video. In that video I used I made a black end, and that one is color 1 black. I'm using this brown color, this carton color, and it's color 27, and I use 3 pack of large attachments, one sew for the one sold for 1,500 naira. So I used 3 pack of it for this big braid, jumbo hair, this particular braid. So now after brushing it, I've told you are ventilated, so I'm just going to divide the hair into 3. I'll braid it down. I'll first braid it like 2 times before I start joining, like this, as you can see, like 2 times before I start joining attachment to it. Like I made it in a knotless tie, not in a big braid style. I think you understand what I'm saying. I made it in a knotless tie, and you can see the way I fold it when I want to join it together with it. I fold it well so that the joining parts will not show. Like I joined it, I'll join it right from the beginning till the length I want. So joining the attachment, as in adding the attachment, depends on the size you want, and it depends on the length you want. It depends on how long you want it to be, and it depends on how thick or tiny you want the hair to look like. I want this hair to be big but not too big. I always made that statement, like I want it to be big but not too big. I don't want it to be small. So all the braids here are just 28 braids. Yes, everything is 28. So just go down, I've said it to my description box, to go and check how I made the hairline, and I've done similar video on it before, so I'll just drop the 2. And the way I braid the black one, I said the color 1 I said earlier, I'll drop in my description. But in case you want to know further, so and make sure you subscribe please. So now I'm just going to braid it down like the way you are seeing me doing it. You can see the way I'm braiding. I'll braid, I'll join the length. I want the hair to be long, like the hair is 45 inches, so I make it long but not too long. So I've said that if you want it to be short, you can make it short. If you want it to be very long, you can make it to be very long. If you want to put beads, you can put beads. You want to put cowrie, any type of hair accessory that you want to put, can actually put it on it. So I did not put bead, I just make it natural because this hair is actually for a customer. So I just decided to show you again the way I made the hair. So I still join at the joining, how I joined actually, when I feel that the braid is getting tiny, like it's getting small, I'll have to join. I will join. When it's small, I will join. And you can see the way I joined. The joining doesn't show, like it does not show that I joined. I will do a video on how to hide attachment also, maybe later. I'll do a video on how to hide attachment. So this is when I'm done braiding, and then I'll just go and please use scissors to trim hair. Some people go to the length of using fire, like live fire to burn hair, like it doesn't give it a smooth shape. So just use scissors and trim it. So I don't know, it can be okay for you, but for me, I always talk for myself. I use scissors to trim. I don't use fire. So yeah, I sun dry this hair when I put hot water. Like I pour hot water right from the top of the hair to the bottom, including the net, like the one I ventilate. I pour hot water. You can see how the line is showing, how beautiful this hair is looking. Like, oh Jesus Christ, see how beautiful it is. So this is it. This is when I was done. This is when I've sun dry it. I did not apply anything to the hair. I did not apply any spray, anything. You can actually go apply anything you want to apply on it and just leave it like that, or leave it like that. So guys, this is ebonystyle. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please and please subscribe, like, share. Please subscribe. I'll be happy if you subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Turn on the notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.